impressive in our first semi-final match yesterday. Who gets to shine today? Will it be Carlton, Joe, or Tory? Good luck. We're going to start finding out right now. Here's the Jeopardy round. These are the categories. We start off with Pizza Palooza, followed by religions. You have to identify the city in Major League sports cities. We'll deal with academic anagrams, your friends the police, and finally, an AP history test for you, but each correct response will begin with either an A or a P. Kelton starts.
Let's go with religious for 200, Alex.
Shiite and Sunni are the two major branches of this religion. Kelton.
What is Islam?
Right.
Religious for 400.
In the 180s BC, the orgiastic worship of this wine god was suppressed by the Roman Senate. Kelton again.
Who is Bacchus?
Bacchus or Dionysus? Yes.
Religious for 600, please.
The Talmud is a collection of writings on the laws of this religion. Kelton.
What is Judaism?
Good.
Religious for 800.
The Assemblies of God is the U.S.